Hi there, welcome to our tutorial on how to log in to Webtech. Whether you are a new user or just need a refresher, this video will guide you through the process step by step. First thing first, open up your preferred web browser. Webtech is a web-based platform, so you will need to access it through a browser like Google Chrome, Mozilla Firefox or Safari. I prefer Google Chrome, so let's tap into that. In the address bar, let's type in Webtech login and hit enter. And here, make sure you tap into the official page. So let's tap here. Now you will be greeted with this login page. Now it's time to enter your login credentials. This typically includes your username or email address and your password. Make sure to double check for any typos before moving on. Let's type in our username over here. And of course our password. So right below there's a little square box that says remember me. So if you want this website to remember your information, you can simply tap there and make a tick, or you can simply leave it like that. Let's leave it like that for now. And after you have entered your credentials, click on the login button below. This will submit your information and log you into the Webtech platform. Also, in case you don't have an account and you are a new user, you can simply tap into the option that right below the login button that says register if you don't have any account. Let's tap into that if you are a new user. So since we have already typed in our credentials, and after hitting log in, now you'll be successfully logged into Webtech. Take a moment to explore your dashboard and familiarize yourself with the various features and functionalities available to you. And that's all there is. Logging into Webtech is quick and easy, allowing you to access all of its powerful tools and resources in no time. Thank you for watching and happy working.